So even just pulling out of the driveway there, going over the little driveway bump, I can notice a difference of more stability where I'd usually be like rocking a little bit more. So surprising amount of difference already. I'm very impressed. I actually really do feel more stable. Like you can tell that it's riding more upright and you're not swaying around as much. And I never knew that that was really a thing. Not things that I ever really paid attention to before, but genuinely noticeable. And it's really funny because it's something that I've thought about when carrying cakes. When I bake cakes and I need to take them places, I always wonder, like, how can I get this to my destination without having it topple over? And now I feel like I have the answer. I can drive like a madwoman now after baking a cake and transport it. Watch out, world.